Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation package, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.